I am worthy of love and respect. I am enough, just as I am. I am deserving of happiness and success. I am capable of achieving my goals. I am confident in my abilities and decisions. I am strong and capable of overcoming challenges. I am worthy of forgiveness, and I forgive myself for any mistakes I have made. I am worthy of a healthy and fulfilling life. I am beautiful inside and out. I am deserving of a positive and supportive relationships. I am in control of my own happiness. I am valuable and have something unique to offer the world. I am worthy of abundance and prosperity. I am capable of making positive changes in my life. I am deserving of self-care and self-love. I am strong and capable of handling any situation that comes my way. I am capable of achieving my dreams and goals. I am worthy of respect and appreciation. I am worthy of love and affection. I am worthy of a healthy and fulfilling relationship. I am worthy of success and abundance. I am confident in my own unique strengths and abilities. I am capable of creating the life I want for myself. I am deserving of love and respect from myself and others. I am worthy of living a life that is true to myself.